Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a design team haul, and I'm happy to show you what I got. So let's start off with the Prima flowers. These are absolutely gorgeous. They got a lot of little bit of sparkles and stuff on them, and this is called Magic Love, and the item number is 652753. Let me show you real quick. And look at how pretty that is. That's going to make something really pretty, probably on a cover or something, once I figure out what I'm making. And it does have, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it does have little specks of glitter on it. Really pretty. And I thought that that would go great with Victorian teacups. And you can see kind of like the flowers here, kind of match flowers there. So we'll look at this in 1 second. Let me just show you what else I got. So also from Prima, I got some flowers and charms, and I thought these were really pretty. Item number is 998325. Yeah, let's take a peek. And these are very heavy pieces, but look at that, absolutely gorgeous. And then the little leaves. So much bling. But these are super pretty. So I thought those also would look really good. Again, I'm not really sure what I'm making, but definitely could be doing something super pretty. And then with Victorian teacups, you can make it vintage. So I think those will look really pretty together. All right, those out of the way. I did get some seam binding too as well, and this matches the paper. And I think that this paper is the ginger, I think it was. I don't remember what it was that I had picked up, because I picked this up on the retreat when I went to the store, which is amazing, by the way. If you ever get a chance, you have to go. You will not be disappointed. But I picked up this brown paper because I thought the color would look really nice together. You can just see those just like that. And I'm excited to use those two combinations together. And then from 49 in Market, I got some Wishing Bubbles and Baubles, and this is blush. And you can see how cute these are, the butterflies and stuff. So these are all going to make some really good embellishments and stuff. And of course, I'll link all this stuff down below. So let's quickly take a peek at the paper. Which is so pretty. Sometimes you don't really see what the paper is until you see it in person, and then it's like, oh my god. And so when I saw this one, I had to have it. Of course, then afterwards I realized I only picked up one, but there is a lot of sheets in here. So, but yeah, I realized I only picked up one, and I'm not a person that generally uses one pack of paper, so we will challenge myself to use one pack of paper. So Victorian teacups, and I did get the 8x8. So, and I believe you get 3 of each. So I can separate that out. So right here you can use these little teacups as a cut apart. Music notes on the back. And again, more teacups and stuff. You can see the pretty butterflies. Of course, I have a thing for butterflies. And then these right here, which again, if you're doing a cover or something, look how pretty those go together. It almost would make those roses look like they're popping right off the paper. And this one here. Oops. Really pretty. I know my camera's washing it out, so I am trying to hold it at an angle so you can see it. But really pretty. I like how when you have like the layers and stuff on here, I think that's so pretty. And again, oops, maybe I messed up. Hold on. Okay, I did. This was the back of this one. I thought it was weird I was missing a sheet. So on the back of the teacup one with the butterflies is this one here. And then this one here. That part right there would make a really pretty cover. And then the roses. And again, and it's nice soft colors. It's not anything like super loud. So if you really wanted to go with a nice soft album, that would be really pretty. And then with the brown, it's going to look really nice. And I'm probably going to ink it all with Vintage Photo because I think it would just look pretty with that. And the pretty little birds. And yeah, this one's really pretty too. So this one here, this sheet here with the lines on it here would be nice and fun to go ahead and make a pocket. You could just kind of cut down these lines here and then you can have a really pretty tuck spot with that. So I don't know what I'm making yet, but that I think might be a really fun idea. And then the flowers on the back. They're in little ice cream cones. And just give you a, that one's so pretty. And then this sheet right here. It washes out like that, so that's why I gotta hold it at an angle so you can see it all. That one's just pretty too. This kind of paper right here, the image and stuff, it just reminds me of something way back in the day when I was growing up. I feel like something like this I might see in my grandmother's place. Just the look of that. And this one. Again, too, you got the lines right there, so you could always follow those lines and make another little tuck spot for that. In the back side. And right here. Just this part alone here would make a really pretty, maybe a flap for an envelope or something. I don't know. I'm getting ideas looking at the paper. We'll see what we come up with. And the last one. That's pretty. Anyway, that is those papers right there. Super pretty. Like I said, when I saw them in person, then I was like, oh, I want this paper. And it's funny because at first look, this probably isn't something that you might necessarily see me working with. But yeah, it's so much prettier in person. Anyway, I will link all of this stuff in the description box below so you can go ahead and pick this up. And I'm going to brainstorm for some ideas on what to do. I might even take and see what maybe tea parties and stuff have. Maybe I can pull some inspiration from that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little walkthrough of my design team haul. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.